Hey guys, How To here, and today we're going to be seeing if cheap waterproof cases like this that you can buy on eBay actually protect phones from water damage. Okay, so today we're going to be doing 3 different tests. The first one is going to be a light test just to see if the case actually lets in water. The second test is going to be a realistic test where it will be about 1.5 meters underwater, which is how far the modern day phones go, like the S7, the S8 and the iPhone X. And the third test is going to be how deep and for how long it can go if it hasn't already let water in. So, let's get straight into the first test. Can you use your phone inside the case? So, to start with, let's try turn it on. Okay, there we go. Oh, cool, you can. That's good. So you can use your phone through the case. I don't know if that's because the inside of the case has a coating that allows it to, or it's just thin enough to do so. But it's good. Okay, here we go. We've got the first test. Got the phone in here. Gotta just fold this down. Okay, here we go. It's raining, so sorry for any background noise, but phone turns on. Still works. It's already protecting it from the rain. So, let's go. Okay, so I took it out straight away there because, discouragingly, there were bubbles. But it does still seem to be working. And I can't see any water inside. So, let's try again. Yeah, it does still seem to work. Can't press the home button. Oh, there we go. So yeah, phone still works through the case. There were definitely a lot more bubbles that time. It will protect it from a small amount of water, such as a bucket. So, let's go on to test 2. Okay, here we are for the second test. Not sure if this is quite 1.5 meters, but it's as close as I can get. Got this secured. Let's go. There we go, that's deeper. You can see bubbles, that's not necessarily encouraging. This string is about 1/2 meter, so this is about 25 centimeters down maybe. Okay, let's bring it up, see what it's like. Seems to still be working. Okay, I think it stopped filming because the water probably stopped it, but it seems to still be on. So, let's try extreme test. Okay, let's put it in. Looks good. Let's see, is it still on? Yes, but it stopped recording. Possibly the camera's not. Oh no, the camera's working. Cool, let's try that one more time. Last one. 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's put it in, see how it did. There we go. Is it still on? Oh no, it's not on. It did tell me the battery was critically low, so that could just be the battery. Yes, it's vibrating. Yes, it still works, just the batteries run out. Let's take it home, charge it, and see if it works. Got it back home, charged it a tiny bit, and it fully works. So, it shows those cheap Chinese cases you can buy on eBay for only 50p do protect your phone. But maybe don't put your really expensive new iPhone in quite yet. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and goodbye.